everyone, I will be showing you my top 3 super easy boho chic designs for beginners. Wine charm earrings. You can purchase them in silver, gold, plated, even copper. You make it straight, that way you can add your beads, and then when you're finished adding your beads, you bend it back into place. And then this is the post that goes in your ear, and then to close it. What I love about them is if you have an outfit and you have no earrings to match it, what can you do? Grab a wine charm and throw on some beads that match your outfit, and you have a pair of earrings. My design number 2 is using head pins, and the head is what holds your beads on, as long as the hole isn't too big, and usually the hole will not be wider or larger than the head of your pin. You just add your beads to your head pin, create a loop at the top of the pin, and then connect another cute pair of head pin earrings. So these are made of Amazonite. The Amazonite stone is probably my favorite. You can also use turquoise with gold. Rose quartz. Possibilities are endless really with the head pins. My idea number 3 is stretch bracelets. So this one says dream. The letter beads have become quite a trend. You can make stacks with them. So this bracelet's made of Amazonite chip beads and then some random accent beads. When you're making your own stretch bracelet, you purchase stretch cord, elastic cord, you thread on your beads, you make tight knots. After you make, you could stop there if you don't have jewelry glue. If you have jewelry glue, you need to make sure you're using the correct jewelry glue. Some dry hard, some dry with some flexibility. For stretch bracelets, you want to use the glue that has flexibility. If you're making them for yourself, knots should be fine with glue. If you're making them for a customer, you probably really want to learn the really secure way and learn a bit more about the best practice. I hope this video was helpful, and please let me know in the comments if there's a tutorial you would like to see. Let me know any comments, suggestions.